Hello Rémi, how are you today?
I'm fine, and you? Did you enjoy the Cayman last
Oh,
time?
I loved it. It was an amazing car. Really enjoyed it.
Yeah, and you know what? For you, I have a surprise.
Look at this. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rémi, for trusting us anyway for our new series Porsche that we have in the Motor Passion channel. And for me, it's very exciting because it's the first time, actually it's the first time I tried a Macan since it was released a long time ago, many years. And it's the first time I drive an electric car, so I'm very excited today.
Okay.
Thank you, Rémi.
It's going to be great.
This is the all-new 2024 Porsche Macan 4 Electric, Porsche's answer to the future of electric mobility, blending luxury, cutting-edge tech and sport car DNA into a SUV. The fronts feature a low sporty stance with a wide, prominent grille that reflects Porsche classic design. The LED headlights, available with the Porsche Dynamic Light System PDLS that we can find in all Porsche models, enhance visibility in various conditions, adjusting lighting in response to curve and speed. The large bold L intake not only improves the car aerodynamic but also manage airflow for cooling, crucial for the electric powertrain's efficiency. On the side, the Macan Electric showcase smooth, flowing lines that give the vehicle a sense of constant motion, even when stationary. The aerodynamic profile is complemented by large wheels on this series that we test drive today with 21-inch alloy. The side mirrors are body colored with an auto-dimming feature contributing to both the Macan styles and functionality. I love the rear design that includes a signature black horizontal light bar that spans the entire width, flanked by Porsche's modern three-dimensional LED taillights. The rear also features a subtle integrated spoiler and a powered liftgate for convenience. So for the back trunk and the space, everyone is asking, okay, what is the space in the Macan on the back? Electric button, back camera. So that's the space you have. Actually a very good space, very spacious back trunk, 580 liter. So you can put a lot of gears. And if you extend if you push down the seat, you have more than 1000 liter of capacity of charge in the back. And all the secret places of Porsche, I'm just discovering that the Boss system ampli, the sound system is here. And some secret room. Designed to reflect Porsche's luxury ethos with high-end material, a minimalist dashboard and advanced connectivity feature, include Porsche Communication Management PCM, navigation, GPS. This unit is equipped with the premium audio option, Boss superb quality sound, and obviously in this electric car, the acoustic is the first quality of this car. The Porsche Macan 4 Electric offers seating for 5, with ISOFIX mounts available for child seats or 3 seats. Welcome to the future of Porsche. So on this Porsche Macan 4 Electric, you can see that I am 1.84 m, 83, depend the weather. But you see that plenty of space, plenty of room. You have your air conditioning control on the back. You have this nice, like most of the car today, you can put your glass of champagne here. and you travel in full comfortable cream leather interior. So good point for the habitability, and if you want to travel or to go in holiday with this car, it's very comfortable on the back. That's a nice gadget when we park here in Istan to change battery on the cameras, and you have the satellite aerial view. You can see your car, and you can see if you have any object or anything. You have a yellow line, so you cannot park here, and you have the Pueblo vista from the view of the Pueblo with the super low back camera, HD camera. This is super cool. So in this Porsche Macan 4 Electric, you have a lot of function on this system by Porsche. And you go there and you have this app, the Sport Chrono option, optional in this case, in this unit we have this chrono pack. I just want to show you how it works. No local track detected, you can create a new track. I'm just experimenting this with you actually. So the chrono is on. You can see here. More or less draw your track. Here in Eastern little rally road, I have to say, is drawing the track for you, meaning that we have a start and stop. So when you get at the end of the track that you define, you can save it and you can come back again here and do a little chrono if you want. So you don't have gearbox in the electric car, just on, off. And in sport mode, when I say on off, yeah, that's that's a proper acceleration. As I say, today I'm enjoying as I enjoy with the Cayman 2-liter turbo that I test drive. I'll leave the link for you at the end of the video. But also, if you want to play full throttle, wow, you can see my head. Wow. That's crazy. I'm so impressed by the electric power, And I'm not keen on electric cars, I have to admit to you. But please come to see Rémi and try this Macan electric, because you probably change your mind. You really can have fun with this car. And yes, it's more than 2 tons, more than 2,000 kilo, but you forget about that as soon as you drive it. And here the good thing is we test driving this in Eastern Road, a very tricky and technical rally road, and I'm enjoying. Porsche, what else? So in this Porsche Macan 4 Electric, for me it's the first time I drive this electric car. I just want to share with you the emotional feelings and the feelings with the electric engine. This is amazing. And listen. Do you hear something? The acoustic of this car is amazing. 0 to 100 km acceleration in 4.9 seconds, like the Cayman 2-liter turbo that I've test drive in my channel. Top speed limited to 219 km per hour. As soon as you put your foot on the accelerator, the torque is there and the power is always constant from beginning to the end. I'm really surprised of the behavior of this car with this 2-ton car, and 400 horsepower, electric power, instant power. I love the electric sports sound that you have. This sound like a Tron movie or Blade Runner movie, adding a little emotional touch when you drive, and even in Sport Plus mode, you have this electric digital artificial sound, and it's actually, you remember me Tron movie, This sound add a little bit of emotion and adrenaline to your driving experience, and I think is a really cool gadget from Porsche. On the drive mode, under the drive section on your big screen here, TFT screen, you can choose your drive mode, obviously off-road, normal, sport and sport plus. You can do this on the screen, but you can also do it here on the wheel drive, exactly like all the other sport models of Porsche, like the Cayman that we've test drive. You can change your mode to sport, and you see there is an activity here on the lights. The suspension are changing a little bit, and Sport Plus again. You can feel the steering wheel harder, and you can feel the suspension much stronger and stiff to the ground. This Porsche Macan 4 Electric offers Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus PTV Plus for a superior handling, with an optional rear-wheel steering to enhance agility and an adaptive aerodynamics further optimize performance, which allows the rear wheels to turn slightly up to 5 degrees at low speeds, improving maneuverability with a tighter turning circle. Furthermore, Porsche's electronically controlled all-wheel drive system EPTM ensures responsive torque distribution, reading within milliseconds to optimize grip and handling during various driving scenarios. In option, you have the Porsche Active Suspension Management, the PASM, that we can find in other Porsche models, which electronically adjusts the shock absorber stiffness based on driving condition and preferences, offering a range from increased comfort to sportiness for those who like to go to racetrack with their Porsche. On the base model, the 2024 Porsche Macan 4 Electric offers advanced braking system designed for both everyday use and high performance driving. The standard brake features large internally ventilated discs to manage it efficiently during heavy braking or sport use. Specifically, the front brake comes with multi-piston caliper, ensuring excellent stopping power, while the rear brakes are equipped with similar robust caliper for balanced braking performance across a wheel. The braking system, the Porsche braking system on this, I don't have to teach you anything about Porsche braking system, as you know. So it gives you a really safe driving and you feel really secure, because I think you have more than enough brake for the power and the power ratio weight. Let's see how this brake, but with the Porsche brake system, obviously no surprise at all. Equipped with 800 volt technology, supporting fast charging up to 270 kW, you can charge 10% to 80% in about 21 minutes. That's quite fast comparing the market. The range is estimated to be up to 380 km, 236 miles for those who live in UK or overseas, for the Macan 4, and slightly less for the turbo version under optimal condition. But all this battery and charging autonomy depend on your driving and how heavy is your foot on the accelerator, obviously. So yes, the range is, let's say, 400 km, and that's a good range for this type of car with this power. The Porsche Macan 4 Electric blends sports car performance with SUV practicality, aiming to retrain the sense of the gas-powered Macan while embracing a new era of electric mobility. Its advanced platform and fast charging capabilities make it a standout in the segment, setting a high benchmark for electric SUV in the future. This is an interesting question, guys. Are you going to go with your Macan 4 Electric in the racetrack? Or are you going to use this electric car only to go work or in the city or to do small traveling with your family? Please answer below on the comments. I'm really curious. Are you going to use this Macan 4 Electric in racetrack anytime, or purely you're going to enjoy it and drive it in open road? Please reply to this question on the comment. I was really happy today to share with you the experience of my first electric car test driving and my first Macan experience. And today we tried this Macan 4 Electric. Amazing electric car, amazing experience. Welcome to the future, guys. Thank you, Porsche, again. I enjoyed so much this Macan 4 Electric. Look at my smile. I tell you, I am changing idea on electric car, that's for sure. And I know a lot of you, I'm not keen on electric car like me, old school fashion, but just come and try it. Ask for Rémi from me, and remember, subscribe to my YouTube channel Motor Passion, and give it a like if you enjoyed this video, And also at the end of this video, I will add the link of the Porsche Cayman 2-liter turbo that we've done with Centro Porsche Marbella. Thank you for watching, guys.